What's up guys, Luke from Raad Rides, and today we're checking out the Ferrari 488 Pista Spider. In 2015, the 488 replaced the 458, being the first mid-engine Ferrari to use a turbocharged V8 since the Ferrari F40. The race-focused 488 Pista refines the 488 GTB to a razor's edge, boasting massive improvements in power and cornering along with its styling. The Spider has a mid-mounted 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, taking this car to 60 in 2.8 seconds and will top out at 211 miles per hour. It's so fast, it even gets Doug excited.
I didn't know what I was talking about. This is insanely fast.
To see more of Doug's 488 Pista review, check the link below.